November 5, Delta.
3's old man, it's 73. 3's belongs on the Citizens Band.
I'm sorry, you'll repeat the last?
I'm sorry, you'll repeat the last?
3's belong on the Citizens Band. It's 73 on the ham band.
Wow, sir, thank you very much for that fine critique. I'll take it into consideration. But 3's to you, sir.
Into consideration. But 3's to you, sir.
This is Kilo Charlie 9, Victor Kilo Victor, the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog net. If you've got a radio you want to check out, give me a shout.
If you've got a radio you want to check out, give me a shout.
November 5, Delta, India, Zulu.
There's a November, was that a November 5 station?
Was that a November 5 station?
Yeah, Jim, November 5, Delta, India, Zulu. The name here is Gran.
Okay, what was the name? Gran?
Okay, what was the name? Gran?
Fran, Foxtrot, Radio, Alpha, November.
Roger, Fran, what kind of radio are you running today, ma'am?
Roger, Fran, what kind of radio are you running today, ma'am?
I'm on a Kenwood TS-2000 on an MFJ 1796 on a 100 watts and half modulation.
Roger, Roger. And what was the antenna again?
Roger, Roger. And what was the antenna again?
It's an MFJ 1796 40-meter trap vertical.
Okay, looking at your audio, you have about a 3 dB dynamic range, which is pretty much exactly where you want to be. That would give you a 80 to 85% average peak modulation, but it could take just a little more top-end EQ, maybe a click or two more top-end to add some definition to your audio. You know, I think the articulation is extremely important in HF, particularly when a lot of times we find ourselves in somebody else's noise situation, Roger.
In somebody else's noise situation, Roger.
Roger, Roger. I appreciate you helping me out, checking my radio out.
Roger, and Fran, what was your location?
Roger, and Fran, what was your location?
Fulton, Illinois, right on the Mississippi. Fulton, Illinois.
Roger, Roger. Well, thanks for checking in there. And like I say, the only thing that might help your signal just a little bit would be a little more top-end EQ for some added articulation, Roger.
For some added articulation, Roger.
Roger, Roger. We'll see if we can get that taken care of. Hang on just a second.
Roger, Roger. Now, I'm assuming that you know exactly where you're going on that TS-2000.
Exactly where you're going on that TS-2000.
Say again?
Oh, I assume that you were going to crank in the EQ at the moment as we speak?
Crank in the EQ at the moment as we speak?
No, we just turned the processor on and off.
Roger, Roger. Well, usually we suggest that you run your processor engaged at about a 3. Our standard tune-up procedure is the processor on at about a 3, and then move to your ALC meter with your mic gain in hand, and adjust your mic gain to where your ALC is running mid-scale to 2/3 after you have engaged your compressor at a 3, Roger.
Engaged your compressor at a 3, Roger.
Roger, Roger. We're good then.
All righty. Well, thanks for dropping by. Appreciate it. You have a great weekend, and if you get a chance, join us next Friday, Roger.
And if you get a chance, join us next Friday, Roger.
Roger, absolutely. We'll try to do that. Thank you so much.
Roger, and just that last transmission, you reached a peak of about 12 dB over my, actually the Milford PA SDR background level, the noise level of the Milford PA SDR, about a 12 dB over that. So 3's there, and thanks for dropping by, and we'll catch you next Friday if you have a chance. This is KC9VKV and the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog net, and we may be running along today just to sample the situation because we may be thinking about starting an hour later, but that's only in the thinking mode at the moment. This is KC9VKV listening.